talk about our giveaway. We have a complete Meko burner and cylinder that we are giving away to our subscribers and followers on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and IG. Once we hit 10,000 subscribers and 10,000 followers. So introduce as many people as possible. Maybe if we notice someone is so dedicated, we might give something before the 10,000. But for now, our ultimate prize is the Meko burner and cylinder that we're going to give away once we hit 10,000 subscribers. So keep subscribing, keep following us on our other social media pages, and we really appreciate the 1,440 of you. Thank you so much for considering us worthy of your subscription.
You look so hard, but you can't see it enough. Just find it and take it, don't let regret it. Make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be gone. Feel like that. Feel like, feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Drawing aside, I can't wait to start. You should call the police. Now I even can breathe. You love me and hate me, true me and false me, make me your shining star. Giving, receiving, changing, believing, only then we could start. Feel like that. Feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me.
We are on the road to 10,000 subscribers, and you know what? It may seem ambitious, but I know with your help, we can even achieve it in the next 1 month. So keep subscribing. Actually, we appreciate the new subscribers. Thank you for considering us worthy of your subscription. We appreciate your likes, comments, subscriptions. Thank you so much. As we work towards 10,000 subscribers, keep supporting us, share with your friends and family, and let them join this family, this amazing family. If you have watched any of our videos, you know we are all about sharing and value proposition on all our videos. We don't just share our videos, we share what we learn, and we are here to learn with you and to share with you our knowledge and experience. So let's do this.